French Press Coffee Maker with 4 filters, 304 durable stainless steel, heat-resistant borosilicate glass coffee pot percolator, single-serving coffee maker, 34 ounces, black. French Press, just need 3 minutes to brew a premium cup of coffee by our French Press Coffee Maker. You can enjoy the fresh and delicious coffee anywhere, portable and steady structure, perfect for making fresh French coffee, tea, espresso, or cold brew. Finest quality material, the 34 ounces carafe is made of thick borosilicate glass, no BPA, that can withstand boiling water. Compared to the metal French press, there is not unbearable scratching noises when you push the filter down. And the glass beaker allows you to monitor the whole procedure of making your coffee. The hot water and coffee grounds separated when you press the filter arm. The aroma and unspeakable comfort of coffee provide the best time to enjoy. Professional filtration technique, the double stainless steel screen filters help to minimize the number of residual grounds in your coffee. It helps extract your coffee's aromatic oils and subtle flavors instead of being affected by a paper filter, giving you a cup of pure brewed coffee just like it's made by professionals. Precision and stability, the French Coffee Press Maker features an exact scale line. It can help you prepare exactly the right amount of coffee or tea to meet your needs. It's made of high-quality 304 stainless steel to prevent corrosion and rust. You no longer have to worry about breaking or damaging your French press. Worry-free after sales, we provide 24-hour customer service support when purchasing and after sales. Please contact us to obtain customer service. Purchase one today and enjoy the benefits of owning a French press. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.